Hello from O.G.S Mechanics Workshop, where today we've got quite an interesting job. A truck that carries horses has came to us from very far, came actually from Scotland. It was brought over on the recovery to have a specialist job done here. It's about having the injectors and glow plugs removed as they were faulty, and we're gonna show you. We already have them extracted, as you can be seen, badly rusted. Look at the bolts, how bad they were. The heads on some of them, it was no head left to put a tool on it. Look at the pipes, the fuel pipes, badly corroded also. Injector clamp, some of them are cracked even. Which one is left? See, badly rusted. And this injector was actually, if you can see that pin over here, so it was even leaking. It got so rusted that it started leaking. Now we have all of them removed, cleaned the holes. We're expecting the new injectors, new washers, obviously new bolts, and in the meantime we're also going to replace the glow plugs. They snapped, but we managed to take them all out, and then we're gonna replace them with new parts. Again, in glimpse in our activity here in O.G.S Mechanics, where we perform specialist job together with normal jobs like car servicing and repairs. O.G.S Mechanics is one stop for all your vehicle needs.